This hood range was pre-made, so we're just gonna make space for it and install it. First, I'm going to place a cleat to scoot the cabinet over. I'm unscrewing from the top first, then the bottom. I barely had to move it and I know it's still level. So then I secured it back to the wall. I only needed a 30-inch opening for this hood range. I can remove the cleat now. I'm using this 11¼ by 1/2 inch wood piece to support the metal bracket. I measured to the bottom of the hood range cabinet and that's where I'm pinning these pieces. I lifted the power line out of the way to put up the metal case. You want to make sure it fits in tight and that you don't go past the face frame of your cabinet because that's where you will attach the hood range cabinet. You want to make sure it's level back to front and side to side. In this case I had to add another 1/4 inch support piece in the back, but no worries, it will have a backsplash. You want to make sure you're secure on all corners and that your metal is not bent. Simply fit in your hood range cabinet, and if it's a tight fit, the better. We will be screwing from the sides of the inner cabinets from the top and lower areas. This is what it looks like now, but we're still not done yet. We are putting in more support to put in the blow motor next. This is what the motor looks like. I'm not sure what model it is, but it clips on to the top of the case temporarily. Next, I'm going to use the machine screws it came with and attach it to the metal case. You want to make sure it's secure on all corners and that it's not moving at all. You want to put in the light bulbs it came with before you close it off. Put on the snap-on cover and you're done with the basic installation. You want all your joints to be seamless.
The final step would be to run down the vent pipe from the ceiling and to connect the electrical on the back of it.
There are plenty of videos that show that, but if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you enjoyed this video.